Today I'm going to teach you how to create a VLOOKUP function in Smartsheet. This powerful tool lets you automatically pull data from one column based on a lookup value in another, which is perfect for matching information across large datasets or automating your workflow. First, head over to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace where all your sheets are stored. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to locate the specific file or sheet where you want to create your VLOOKUP function. This could be a project tracker, inventory list, or any sheet where you need to match and retrieve data. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now, once your sheet loads, you'll want to create a new column where your VLOOKUP results will appear. Click on the column header to add a new column, then give it a clear descriptive name that reflects what data it will contain. After naming it, click on the column type dropdown and select the appropriate type for the data you'll be looking up. This ensures that your results display correctly, whether they're text, numbers, dates, or other formats. Next, click on the cell in your new column where you want the VLOOKUP formula to start. Type an equal sign to begin your formula, then type VLOOKUP. This tells Smartsheet that you're about to create a lookup function. Here's where the formula comes together. Click on the cell that contains the value you want to look up. This is your search value, the piece of information Smartsheet will use to find matching data. After selecting that cell, type a comma. Now select the entire range that includes both the lookup column and the column containing the value you want to return. Make sure you highlight from the first column through the last column you need. Type another comma, then type the column number of the value you want to return. This number represents which column in your selected range contains the data you're pulling. Type another comma, then type false. Using false ensures you get an exact match rather than an approximate one. Finally, press enter to complete the formula. Once your formula is working in that first cell, you can easily apply it to other rows. Simply click on the cell with your completed formula, then drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down through the rows where you need the VLOOKUP applied. Smartsheet will automatically adjust the formula for each row, and that's it. You've successfully created a VLOOKUP function in Smartsheet that will automatically match and retrieve data across your sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.